Hello people, how you guys doing? Welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another amazing cocktail. This is gonna be a really cool cocktail. This is gonna be one of those sexy cocktails, guys. This is actually going to be the Very Radical by this amazing product, the Year Ahead by Kravis. Please stay here with me and Hey Bartender. Let me show you how you're gonna be making this great guy. Okay, so first of all, let me just talk a little bit about this guy. This is the Year Ahead Kravis, by Kravis, I'm sorry. This is a single malt from Scotland. It's a single malt scotch, and it is actually from the Highlands. So the notes that you're gonna have in this one is gonna be kind of like a sweet vanilla, citrusy. This is not like the usual typical single malt that you're gonna be putting in a snifter, or you put it in one of those nice fancy glasses for the palate, just like a taste the actual whiskey. You can be very versatile with this single malt. You can actually make some really cool cocktails. And actually, well, the Very Radical, it is one of those really cool cocktails that they're gonna go so fun and so cool in, I don't know, like a Halloween party. So how are we gonna make this guy? Let me show you. Let's start with 1.5 ounces of the Year Ahead. Chambord. Let's make it 1 ounce. Three-quarters of Cointreau. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Egg white. Remember, if you are vegan and you don't want to use egg whites, not a problem. Get a can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Just make sure you strain those guys, and that thing is going to work perfectly fine. Some people, they say they taste better. Hey, in the case that you're using your eggs, make sure that your eggs, they're perfectly cold at all times, okay? So for this cocktail, you guys, we're gonna do what is called the dry shake. And why is the dry shake? Well, dry shake is a shake with no ice. And we're gonna make sure that, number one, this thing is not gonna pop, because it's gonna create a lot of fermentation inside, and it's gonna be a lot of bubbles. And number two, you want to make sure that you're gonna have like a really nice big head for the top of your cocktail. So let's give it a good shake. Okay, careful when you open, because it gets all over the place. And now, if you have the chance to put your hands in one of these cool cartridges to make one of these spheres, even better. Make sure that when you drop it, it's not gonna splash you very much. And now we're gonna do a really good shake with one rock. Okay, the reason for the one rock is because you don't want to have the actual foam, which is going to be kind of like a really nice, sweet, and creamy custard on top of your cocktail. It's not too, if you have a lot of ice, it's going to be kind of like a trap in between the ice. So with one big sphere, it's going to actually come out very easy. And there you have it, you guys. The Very Radical with Year Ahead. Salud.